I saw your question in the email, or credit card, I guess some 7-3, I think it's like number 13 or something. It's, the book it's 21T. Credit card company claims that the mean credit card debt for an individual is greater than $5,100. You want to test this claim. And so I guess you got that part right. You know, we want to test that the mean is greater than $5,100. So it's going to be a right tail test. You know, you got a sample 30 here. Mean credit card of that sample is $5,287. Standard deviation $675. Alpha at 0.05. Can you support it? So you're I guess you're struggling with the critical value part. Critical value is going to be based on, you know, the sample size, alpha. We know it's a right-tailed test here. So if you go to stat calculators, you want to use the T calculator in this section. And the degrees of freedom here is just one less than the sample size. So the sample size is 30, you take away 1, degrees of freedom is 29. You know, it's a right-tailed test, and alpha is 0.05. So we put that in here, then we click compute, and the number that appears here is what we're after. It'll be the critical value. And I'll let you, click the compute and see what you come up with. Hope that helps.